When I joined in 1989, the Formations collection had just come out. And for me, it felt so right because of what was happening in architecture and design at the time. The speckle, the optical solid, the tone-on-tone pattern. Formation was orchestrated, curated, developed by a designer named Alex DeGregori, or Alessandro DeGregori. He started working with some wonderful Japanese printers, and with that he created the concept of sand and scale plus color. In the 80s, design was shifting. If you think about it, postmodernism was happening. And what's postmodernism? It's kind of looking at the past, but abstracting it for the future. Formations as a pattern and color concept was so easy to use, but also stylish, that it actually moved into this kind of design space of becoming a classic. Graphics and the oxide patterns are still in our range today after how many years? So it has really stood the test of time.